Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and we can see that right now gold is standing at 1987. This is the current market price, and today is Friday, and today is a very special day because of NFP. Yes, the day has come, and today the market will be volatile again. After the FOMC, there was no particular direction in the market because market was mostly waiting for today's NFP. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts after NFP. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, do not try to gamble with your capital and hard-earned money. Try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news because the market will be extremely volatile and you may lose your capital. Okay, don't make the mistake because market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money in the market. Do not try to predict the market because nobody in the world can do that. Not even our respected Warren Buffett can also predict the market. Predicting the market is like gambling. Okay, so don't make the mistake. Don't think that okay, news is positive, market will be going up. News is negative, market will be going down. Market doesn't work like that. Okay, because news trading is the hardest form of trading. If you have experience, if you know how to handle volatility, then that's a different chapter. But do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so right now this is the market here, and we can see that the present trend of the market is sideways. And before a major event like NFP, CPI, usually the market doesn't show much volatility, and market prefers to stay within a range only. So we can expect that there will not be some crazy volatility before NFP, and markets volatility will remain like this. Okay, so what are the trading levels then? So before NFP, do not expect a huge move in the market. So swing traders, again, you need to sit on the back bench and wait for the market, and probably by the after the weekly closing you'll get a proper idea in which direction the market will be moving, and then you can look for positions. So today it's a day traders market, it's a scalpers market. Okay. So yesterday we saw that market is respecting our FIBO levels. Okay. This is the FIBO setup here. So today, if we see the market is going down during the day, if you see market around 1977, then you can expect that okay, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Observe the market behavior. Once you'll see the market is around 1977 area, simply switch to 15 minutes time frame and see how the market is reacting. If market takes support and bounces, you can hit the buy button. You can expect around 30 to 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips max because market's volatility will be very less. Keep in mind, we are traders, so we need to be flexible according to the market situation. Okay, so first level can be 1977, and the second buy position will be around 1974 because this is our FIBO 78.6% retracement level, and third is around 1970, the previous level from where market reversed. So these are the three levels where we can expect a quick buy position during the day before NFP. Keep in mind these are levels that are not very strong, but keeping in mind the present volatility of the market, we can expect the market will go for a temporary bounce around this area because the overall range of gold is still the same. Remember the range of gold 2008 to 2010 on the upside, and then we have 1960 to 1963 on the downside. This is the range of gold, and this range is still present. But the range, the major, these two are the major levels, and the major levels are far away from the current market price. So as a result, we are trading on the minor levels right now. Okay, this is the present scenario, because if I zoom out the chart, you'll be able to see the red box at the top is acting as resistance. After making the high of 2009, market tried to break once, market failed. So the resistance of 2008 to 2010 is still very much valid, and then we have 1960-63 as the support. I think today's range on the chart of gold will be 2008 to 2010, and then we will be having 1950 to 1955. I think this will be the range of the market for the day. So in case if you see gold going down after NFP, I don't think so that there will be some crazy volatility and market will try to take support around 1950-55 level. Let's wait and watch. I will not predict market right now. So before NFP, if market shows downside, you can look for quick buy position on 1977, 1974, 1970. But as I said, confirmation is important, so switch to a lower time frame to observe the market behavior. If you see market is bouncing, then only go for a buy position. Otherwise, if in case market shows volatility, if you see the market is going down with big red candles, use your common sense, okay, and wait for the market to hit 1960 to 1963, because before NFP 1960-63 is the best support or strongest support on the chart of gold. Clear? And I don't think so market will be going towards 2010 level before NFP. Market doesn't have the strength right now. And apart from these levels, okay, we can also see the 1992 is also acting as resistance. Remember 1992, this was the previous support. Yes, previous support is right now acting as resistance. So 1992, okay, is also acting as resistance right now. But one thing I have observed here, the market may look sideways, but you can see that more or less market is what? Market is forming higher lows here. So, and formation of higher lows usually indicates that market will break the resistance. So observe the market around 1992. If you see market is reversing, if market shows good price rejection from above, then only go for a sell position. Okay, the resistance of 1990 to 1992 is still very much valid. If market reverses, then only go for a sell position. Do not place a buy sell position immediately. Okay, because see, my dear friends, there is a very thin line between trading and gambling. Most of the time we think that we are trading, but unknowingly we are gambling with our money. Don't make the mistake. So the resistance of 1990 to 1992 is also very much valid, but yes, it depends on the market situation. Okay, if you see market reversing, then only go for a sell. Okay, and if you're planning to trade after NFP, then I'll say that after, okay, the news is out, of just check the numbers. If you see a mixed news, okay, if you see a mixed news, but in spite of having a mixed news, if you see the market is taking a particular direction, up or down, doesn't matter, then there's a high chance that there will be some price ejection and market will be coming down to the original trading level. Because whenever there is a mixed news and market, after a mixed news, market takes a particular direction, usually I have observed in my personal trading journey that market usually go for SL hunting. Market shows strong price ejections, so as a result there is a high chance that in case of mixed news, market will remain sideways. Okay, but if there's a huge difference between the actual number and the actual number and the expected number forecast, okay, then you can expect a particular direction. For example, the expected number is 200,000 and the actual number comes 300,000. So there's a big difference, isn't it? So in this type of news, you can expect that market will be taking a particular direction. Okay, but if you see that expected number is 200,000 and number comes out to be let's say uh, this. Okay, so you can see that there's a very little gap. Okay, then it doesn't matter whether the number is positive or negative. Okay, you'll usually see price ejection. Similarly, if you see that this was the forecast and the actual number comes out to be this, okay, you can see that number is negative, but there's a very little difference. So usually in this type of case also, usually we get to see price ejection. Okay, so price ejections are very notorious because they trap thousands of traders. Okay, so scalping is a better strategy, okay, in case of mixed news, if you really want to trade. Otherwise, I always say, tell to people, especially beginners, that you can observe the market because it is also essential to know how market reacts at the time of news. But try to stay away. Okay, so it depends on you. Follow proper risk management. Okay, that's all I'll say. And these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Hopefully you got my point. Again, I'll repeat that before NFP or before any major event, market prefers to stay silent. There is not much volatility, so as a result, try to go for quick entry and exits, because this is, in this type of market situation, you need to act according. Okay, so bye bye, take care.